Hi everyone, Olia Catala here from the Catala Marquez law firm, immigration law firm. I wanted to take this opportunity to make a video for you since I know it's been a while since I made a video. It's been a bit hectic probably for all of us, and I'm hoping that you all are staying safe and are isolating yourselves and following the advice of all the medical practitioners. This too shall pass. I just want you all to take good care of yourselves, and health is the number one priority for anybody. I also wanted to take this opportunity to thank anyone who's working in the medical field. Our gratitude is with you, and many prayers for you. Thank you for all that you do, putting yourself in harm's way to save people is a very noble thing to do. Um, Anyways, I wanted to make this video because there are a few things, updates in immigration that I wanted to make sure that you all knew about, and some of them are in response to the coronavirus pandemic, so it may be of some interest to you all. For example, non-immigrants who have their status running out, like people here on student visas, F1 visas, or others in non-immigrant status, USCIS is considering applications that are filed late to exchange status or to change status due to the coronavirus pandemic at this point. However, it's still in their discretion. But if your deadline is coming up, I would suggest to speak with an attorney, because there are things that you could do that will not affect your your unlawful presence accumulation in the US. So yes, definitely speak with an attorney about that. That's important. Also, DACA recipients, those who are thinking of renewing their DACA, don't think about renewing it, renew it. As you know, Supreme Court could issue a ruling any day from today until June 2020. Any day they could say that they're no longer extending DACA. So my advice to all of you is to renew your DACA prior to that decision being made. So speak with an attorney, definitely, to renew your DACA. Even if it's early, it does not matter. They're still reviewing the applications. USCIS, despite the COVID pandemic, they're still reviewing the DACA applications. So don't waste any time. Even if it's early, renew your DACA. Also, make sure when you do renew your DACA, send it by certified mail. The reason I'm saying certified mail is because it'll have the date of when USCIS received your application, to show that, for example, if there was a bad ruling, to show that your application was received by USCIS prior to that ruling. So you need some proof. Also, I've had a lot of questions about the government stimulus checks. A lot of DACA recipients have been asking me, and also other immigrants have been asking me, should they accept the stimulus check, or is that going to be counted, or is that going to be considered or counted against them as a public charge issue? I say stimulus checks are okay, and this is my opinion, but it's my professional opinion because I did some research on this. First of all, it is a tax credit that is given to taxpayers without request on the taxpayer's part. So it's given to everybody who's paying taxes, who qualifies and who falls into the financial bracket listed. It is also intended to stimulate the economy and is not continuous, so it's not income maintenance as would count against you with the public charge. So this is more like I said, a tax credit. So putting people on stimulating the economy, putting people on a level playing field, basically. So yes, accept the stimulus checks. They will help you out, I'm sure, and since we're not just suffering, health-wise. A lot of people have lost jobs or been furloughed or been laid off. It affects small businesses. It's affecting everybody, and I know that the need for money is great right now. If you do get a stimulus check, I believe, in my professional opinion, that it is okay to accept it. As far as those people who have received requests for evidence or notice of intent to deny between March 1st and who have received this between March 1st and May 1st, if you do not file a response, USCIS is saying that they will still accept a response within the 60 days after the deadline. So if you're late on filing your RFE and you fall between March 1st and May 1st when you received it, you could still file it, and they will evaluate what your excuse is, and you should still be okay. You should still be safe. As far as our firm, we're still open. We're doing a lot of appointments via video, like I'm talking to you right now. Also via phone calls. I know it's difficult for a lot of people to get around right now, and especially those with children. There's no daycare, there's no school, so it's really hard for people to get out of the house. Trust me, I know. So we are taking consultations via phone, via video, to help our customers out. We also understand that the financial situation is difficult for a lot of people. So we're doing payment plans, which are a lot more reasonable than what other firms would be offering you. We're doing monthly payments. We're doing smaller down payments to begin with. So just wanted to let you know what your options are. Wanted to give you a few updates on what USCIS is doing, and just wanted to wish you well and hope you all are doing good. And if you have any questions or if you need to schedule a consultation, our consultations have always been free, so don't hesitate and call 425-633-2343. Okay, I guess that's it, and I hope you all stay well and healthy. Thank you.